Today's topic, those pesky acronyms. Hi, I'm Jeff Banks, the founder of Banks Consultancy, not your ordinary accountants, and I'm here with Robin Banks, the CEO of Banks Consultancy, and part of our Tidbit of the Day series. Once a week, we are going to explore the meaning of some of those pesky acronyms and terms that we as business people are just expected to know.
Although I'm the CEO of Banks Consultancy, most people would know that I'm not a qualified accountant. But like the other administration staff, I'm expected to know all the terms and acronyms clients have encountered to ensure the right staff member or expert in the area of concern can help when you have a problem.
Yes, Robin, it's like me walking into an electronic shop and it feels like they're swearing at me when they talk of things like HDD and lumens and other things like that. And I expect it can be the same for the poor suspecting business owner who is just expected to know what is being talked about.
The scary part is that in the electronics shop, it effectively doesn't really matter. You end up with a piece of equipment that does the job anyway. But in accounting and tax, misapprehension can lead to much more dire consequences. So what do you propose we at Banks Consultancy do to help with this situation?
As many people know, Robin, in the spirit of the part of our mantra at Banks Consultancy, we say, we will talk to you in your language. To that end, I've almost completed an ebook illustrated by our very talented daughter, soon to be made available for free on our new website, which will be www.banksconsultancy.com.au. But in the meantime, we will devote at least one tidbit per week to explaining an acronym or term that taxpayers and business people may come across and, in our opinion, need to know.
Well, let's start with some easy ones then. What about ATO?
Well, hopefully, Robin, everyone knows that ATO stands for Australian Taxation Office.
What about then ASIC, ASIC?
ASIC is the Australian Securities and Investments Commission. This is a branch of the government that deals with the administration and things to do with corporate structures.
Okay then, how about RBA?
Oh, RBA, that's an interesting one because that one can actually have two meanings. RBA, as everyone knows, is the Reserve Bank of Australia, but in relation to taxation liabilities, can also refer to your running balance account, one of the accounts that you as a taxpayer or business have with the ATO. And it normally deals with the relationship the business has with the ATO at a BAS level.
This is going to be fun as I quiz you over the weeks on some of the more obscure but pertinent terms and acronyms that are in our accounting world. When did you say that book would be available?
Very soon, Robin. We're putting the final touch to it as we speak, and it will be ready not long after we launch our new website. So if you're going to need any help understanding any of these terms or acronyms that you come across during the week, don't sit there like a dummy and act like, oh yes, I know it, when in the back of your mind you actually don't. Contact us at Banks Consultancy and let us help you through these sorts of things. I'm Jeff Banks.
And I'm Robin Banks.
And together we are Banks Consultancy, not your ordinary